What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. In this video today I'm going to show you exactly how you can link your Google Ads account to your YouTube channel. That's very fast, very simple, very easy to do. All you have to do is go to youtube.com, then sign in to YouTube and click on your profile picture into the top right to access the YouTube Studio. By clicking right here on the YouTube Studio button, you will get to your YouTube Studio dashboard. Then you will have to go to settings at the bottom. At the bottom left, you simply click on settings, then you click on channel, then you go to advanced settings, and then you will find right here, Google Ads account linking. It's super simple to find. Simply go to youtube.com, click on your profile picture, click into YouTube Studio to enter the Creator Studio, click into settings to the bottom left, and you will find is here the channel tab, advanced settings. Then you will click on link account, and right here, by clicking on link account, you can enter the link name. This is a name for description purposes. You can basically enter whatever name you would like to name your Google Ads account link as you like. You can link whatever, you can choose whatever name that you want right here. And then you will need to enter the Google Ads number. The Google Ads number you can find into the Google Ads account. You will find the number at the top right. And then I highly recommend that you select everything right here and then click done at the bottom. And once you have clicking done, after entering a link name, a number, and clicking, you will need to find awaiting approval right at the bottom. You will have to approve the linking request basically in the corresponding Google Ads account. You simply go to Google Ads, click at the top right into the notification, and you will find YouTube has created a link account request. You simply click view and you will find this window right here. Into the data manager, into tools, into YouTube under connected product, you will find the link right here with the permission request. You simply click accept the permission request and you will find the account linked right there. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. I hope you learned something new. Let me know if it was helpful or not. Click right here for more YouTube tips and I will see you there in this next video. Bye bye.